have I done? No, I don't remember, and no one knows just how I feel. When I know that my time is coming soon. It's been so long, oh, such a long time since I've lived with peace and rest. And now I am here at my destination. Oh, I guess things work for the best. And I know that my time is coming soon. Who is this man beside me that they call the King of the Jews? They don't believe he's the Messiah, but somehow I know that it's true. They laugh at him in mockery and beat him till he bleeds. They nail him to the rugged cross and they raise him. Yeah, they raise him up next to me. My time has come, I'm slowly fading, but I deserve what I receive. Jesus, when you are in your kingdom, could you please remember me? And he looks at me, still holding on, the tears fall from his eyes, and he says, I tell the truth today, you will live with me in paradise. And I know that my time is coming soon.